Okay, the first two vehicles were somewhat winter vehicles. I mean, they're supposed to be run in the winter time. And now we will try to start one that is definitely not a winter vehicle. Oh, it has a heater in it, if you could call it that. And it does have defrosters. But it's British. And it doesn't like to run in the wintertime. Well, anyway, usually. Get my battery. Oop, trip and fall here, jeez. Oh, and I did find a key that's not labeled. The key for this. That's because it's on my pocket keychain. One of my keys I use every day. My car, house, and my Triumph. Right there. I don't know if I can get my fat butt in here. I don't remember if I locked it. Nope. It's much easier to do this with the window down. For a big guy like me. 6 foot, 240 pounds is too big for this car. Oh, you can't see very good in here. Oh. And this one likes to be pumped. You can believe the battery has enough juice. I don't know. Oh, the oil pressure light went out. Sounds like the battery's gonna give up. Well, a couple more cranks, baby. She just loved the incredibly high idle. It's always really good for a freezing cold motor to go up to 2,500 or 3 grand. Well, if it'll sit there and idle, well, it seems like it's going to. Ugh. That's a Weber 2-barrel and manifold I picked up on eBay because of the stupid side draft barrel style, I don't know, like a Stromberg I think it was, or whatever. I rebuilt it and it just wouldn't run right. Run real lean at an idle, or run real rich at idle, and real lean when you go to step on it. Put a new diaphragm and everything in there. Wouldn't run right. So, I bought that, and it runs pretty decent. Now I fogged up the lens. Oh well, there it is.